72 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know love me, Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those with no retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know be sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just betray your own spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba Kese, so yeah, Baba K again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 72 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know love me, Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How's everyone doing today? Just give me a second here, guys. What's good, Jason? Good morning. Give me a second here. All right, so I am looking at gold here. Um, um, all right, so I am looking at gold here. We created this 1 hour minor range. Pretty much created a low here, and then once we created this high, right, we created this minor low, rejecting off of a demand. And now we have this high at 51.14 that we created, rejecting the supply. We did not have a closure above the previous high. And then we pretty much came down, breaking the minor low. Right, we came down, broke that minor low. However, we failed to break the major low of this first range that created the high, which is fine. We have a minor break of structure right there. So if we can pull back up to that supply, I'll prefer where we just pretty much grab this minor high right there, rejecting that supply, and then we can possibly take this, anticipating that we're going to break this low before gold continues to the upside. Expecting to see a pullback. So I am looking for short-term sales here and gold today, but from that supply, we'll see what happens. Good morning, Mr. Wilbeck. See if we can catch some sales here. We didn't tap that supply just yet. look at silver here. Okay. Look at silver. We react at this 1 hour supply on silver. NYSE opens in 18 minutes. I'll be interested to buy silver from this 15-minute demand here. I am going to set an alert here on silver. Um, let's put it right here. Gold and silver is doing the opposite today. Silver definitely looks like buys. Gold, on the other hand, it's pretty much unclear, but looks like quick sales to me. Good morning, Rodrigo. A lot of people are just waiting for gold's volatility to go down some more, but it is reducing. Good morning, Kendrick. So I want you guys to understand that if I do take a silver trade today, it's going to be my first time ever taking any trades on silver. So we'll see. I see quick sales on gold, but I still needed to tap this supply. You're not taking silver on your life. Okay. We'll see if gold gives us something here. I mean, I will always take gold before silver, but today, silver is not in the range. We broke out of the range. So if silver gives something before gold, I am going to take it. Silver is too dangerous, especially in forex. If it goes to the wrong direction, blow up the account easily. Same as gold if you don't have set your stop loss. And as you can see, I still have my screen on gold charts because to me personally, gold will always come first. I've backtested silver. I did it on the 5 minute time frame though. It's fine. I want you guys to know whatever asset you trade in, right? If you can trade, then you should be able to trade any asset. Now, the only thing I will say is that you're gonna have to learn how that asset moves, and you can do that by simply just backtesting that account, that asset, and also trading it live. But until, if you want to trade it live, until you master that asset, you just need to lower your risk. Because in my opinion, you can't really learn how an asset move if you're not trading it with real money. You'll be with the rice and beans gold. All right, NY opens in 6 minutes and we'll see what they do. I am still looking for short-term sales here on gold. Good morning, Rico. And we just refuse to tap that supply. I'm also going to be paying attention to this 15-minute demand here, even though I feel like gold should come down up until this low right here, this around this 15-minute demand area, or this 15-minute demand right here. But I'll also be paying attention to this 15-minute demand here as well, and that is because this low, right, it broke a high, previous high, and now the first high it created a low, and that low did what actually broke the high that it created. So this low completed its mission. Now, this low right here, right, also completed its mission. However, the swing high that it created, which was this first one, created a low and it failed to break. So this range right here, right, if it holds, it already held once, came back down. I mean, held once, went up, came back down, went up again. We rejected again. So it's still holding. But the minute this low gets taken out, now it's going to be up to this demand to decide on what it's going to do. If it holds, I'd rather wait for something like this and then take the bullish continuation to the upside. But for now, in this range, I do see sales. So 30-minute supply is where I want to go to reject from. And if we keep coming down, we'll see here how we react at this 15-minute demand. Oh, and the swing high that this low at around 5031 created right here got taken out on the 1530 except for the 1 hour. So we got the 30, 15, of course, 5, all of the time frames closing below that minor low. Hence the reason, another reason why, I said I'm looking for sales. But we just need to see if gold is going to tap this 30-minute supply here. Was that you, Pi? Someone is in a singing mood today. Mhm. Mhm. Oh man, damn you, Goldie. Could have tapped that supply, man. Supply that they tap instead. You know, the 30, 15, not even the 5. 3 minute there. Not even the 3. Oh well. Right, of course, NYC opened 3 minutes ago. All right, so while we're waiting here, I am gonna go use the restroom real quick. Would like to see this 15-minute candle close below this low strongly. All right, Pi, sing for us. Oh man, so Zoom, you guys have not been hearing what I'm saying. All right, Pi, sing for us. We're listening. We like your voice too. Uh-oh. All right, guys. Unfortunately, it could have been in this house, but we didn't get our setup, meaning past in top the 30-minute supply that we wanted. That 30-minute supply is also a 1 hour supply, and we did not get there. Very interesting. Happens sometimes. Which is aggressive, uh-huh. Hey, silver. What's good, Flint? Okay. If this 15-minute closes below, then we can use this 15-minute supply. If 30 closes below, we can use the 30. 1 hour closes below, we can use the 1 hour. Really, after I deleted it? Ooh, ish. Yeah. Hmm. What the hell is going on with my trade of it? Come on, trade of it. Really? What the hell is going on with trade of it? Internal server error. Okay, I can't freaking log into freaking Twitter, right? Okay. Uh, Wait. Is anyone else having trouble logging into Tradervate? Yep, can log in. Okay. Shut down for all. Yeah. I do have a buy stop here on silver though. And it's going to be 400 ticks. This entry. Just make sure. Yeah. If you don't trade silver, you don't have to trade this. I'm going to keep looking for setups on gold if you find any. If you don't trade silver, you don't have to take it. But if you want to, you're welcome to take it. Bit of it is down. Okay. Well, oh shit, he didn't activate me yet. Oh, that's weird. Was it 10? Still looking for a setup on gold. Yeah, it's fine. You're not the only one, Pi. You are not the only one. You are not the only one. This is my first time that I'll be taking anything on this. Still gotta keep waiting for gold here. 30-minute has not closed yet. But 15 did close below. Gold volatility movement is so quick. Some connected to trading rate or trading view. So we get it set up here on gold. See if it's gonna let me take it. Right now, I do see that we are reacting to this 1 hour demand that also broke structure. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute here and see how we react to this same demand here. Man, I just used the restroom, but looks like I gotta use it again. I'll be right back. Looking at this 5-minute low that we've created here. And you are looking at another 400 ticks on gold here. 15.2 and 0.4. All right. We've been activated here. You done trading girl today? You want to know? Can guess anybody will trade the buys? Okay, you out already. All right. Um, Nicholas, so you got what? About 120 ticks or 100 ticks? If 15 close, you start considering buys. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm looking at the 15-minute now earlier. I'm like, shit, it closed below, 30 closed below, and 1 hour closed below as well. So the fact that we close below, even if we do pull back here, there's a chance for a sell continuation. Tight stops back, probably have your stop below this current 15-minute candle if you're waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. When we at a low like this and we come down to retest it and we're not pushing up, I don't like that at all. When we're pretty much stalling like this, because if we're stalling since we created this low high on the 5, came down, created another low, I, we should continue higher, potentially up there, and possibly continue to the downside since we actually have a break of structure. But we're stalling here now. Since we're stalling this high, Could be a lower high. Hopefully it's not because we rejected this demand twice now. You would think, okay, well, can we at least get back to the 30-minute supply at least? And then we can continue down. So how did the 15 close? Eh, I don't like that 15 closure. Top wick is longer than the bottom wick. I don't like it. You had the buy limit at 80, 80, 80, 49.80. You're in at the bottom. Okay, tight stops. All right. Looks like it wants to push further down. Yeah, it is looking like it. That previous 15-minute candle, I don't like how it closed. If it had closed with a long bottom wick, but this previous 15, the top wick is longer than the bottom wick. Don't like that. That previous 15 shows more sellers than buyers. The way it closed. So this current 5, all this 15, yeah, the buyers is gonna have to step in. It's not looking like it. Silver structure, the other hand, is buys. It should be pushing up. But I think silver does what gold does. Or maybe silver does what gold does. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 5 minute closes in 2 minutes. Um, mm. especially when you see price rejecting a demand zones like this. Rejected it the first time, came down, rejected it again, and we're still reacting to it, but we're not pushing up. It's not good. And the same thing if it's a supply zone. This candle needs to break the previous candle. If it does not, in Houston, we got a problem. Mm. Yeah, it's not moving. Mm. Yeah, if it's not pushing up, not a good sign. Yeah, there you go. You just wanted to create. Yep, just wanted to create that lower high and continue down. Oh well. Yep, all news is done for today. Ooh. All right, guys. Well, I'll see what happens though in Asia. What's today? Today is Wednesday. We got one possible one, possibly 4 to 5 more trading setups. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. I am done. Now, oh, before I go, this low right here, if it does not close below it, it might just grab it and then continue higher. But I'm done for today. See what happens down in Asia. Onto Asia session for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see what happens tomorrow. All right. Have a great day, guys.